welcome back to our channel. Today the BMW G310 GS is an entry-level adventure bike that brings the brand's renowned GS lineage into the small capacity segment. Designed for riders who want an affordable yet capable machine for both city commutes and weekend escapades, this motorcycle delivers a balance of versatility, performance, and premium feel. Built on the same platform as its naked sibling, the G310R, the GS variant adds adventure-focused elements like a taller stance, longer suspension travel, and a beak-style front end reminiscent of BMW's larger adventure models. At the heart of the G310 GS is a 313cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces 34 horsepower at 9,250 revolutions per minute and 28 Newton-meters of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. This engine features a unique backward-tilted cylinder design, which optimizes weight distribution and allows for a lower center of gravity. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, the bike delivers a smooth and refined power delivery, making it ideal for both city riding and light off-road adventures. The inclusion of a slipper clutch ensures smooth downshifts and minimizes wheel hop, enhancing overall. One of the standout features of the G310 GS is its suspension setup. It comes equipped with 41mm upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock with adjustable preload, providing 180mm of travel at both ends. This setup ensures a comfortable ride on uneven surfaces and enhances the bike's capability on rough terrains. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels, fitted with dual-purpose tires, strike a balance between road performance and off-road grip. However, hardcore off-road enthusiasts might find the absence of spoked wheels a slight tell. BMW has ensured that the G310 GS remains accessible to a wide range of riders by keeping its seat height at a manageable 835mm. For shorter riders, BMW also offers a low seat option, bringing the height down to 820mm. Weighing in at 175 kilograms. The bike is relatively light compared to larger adventure motorcycles, making it easy to maneuver in urban settings and tight trails. The 11-liter fuel tank provides decent range, although long-distance tourers might wish for a slightly bigger. When it comes to braking, the G310 GS is equipped with a 300mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, both complemented by dual-channel ABS. The ABS system is switchable for the rear wheel, allowing riders to have more control when riding off-road. While the braking performance is adequate for most scenarios, some riders might feel the bite could be a bit sharper, especially for aggressive riding styles. In terms of features, BMW has updated the G310 GS with a ride-by-wire throttle, which improves throttle response and fuel efficiency. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster provides essential information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip data. While the display is clear and easy to read, some riders may miss the presence of a more advanced TFT screen with smartphone connectivity, which is becoming common in this S. BMW's build quality is evident in the G310 GS. With a well-finished frame, premium switchgear, and robust design that reflects the brand's high standards. Available in multiple color schemes, including the signature Ally style, the bike maintains a striking presence on the road. For riders looking for an affordable yet capable adventure bike with the prestige of the BMW badge, the G310 GS is a solid choice. It may not be the most hardcore off-road machine, but its blend of everyday usability, comfort, and adventure readiness makes it an attractive option for those entering the world of adverb riding.